Hi guys. Welcome to Delogics. Please subscribe to watch more videos of same kind. Is it really 1 plus 1 equals 3? Let's see how we can solve this funny math. Ideally the mathematics says that 1 plus 1 equals 2, but we are going to prove that 1 plus 1 equals 3. Ideally 1 is equal to 1 mathematically. So, we can write that as 41 minus 40 is equal to 61 minus 60. Now, 41 can be written as 16 plus 25. And 61 is 36 plus 25. We can write 16 as 4 square, 25 as 5 square, 36 as 6 square, 25 as 5 square. Now, 40 can be split as 2 into 4 into 5. And 60 can be written as 2 into 6 into 5. Applying the formula which every one of us know. A minus b the whole square is equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now, it becomes 4 minus 5 the whole square is equal to 6 minus 5 the whole square. While cancelling the square roots on both the sides, we get 4 minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 5. Now, cancelling 5 on both the sides, we get 4 is equal to 6.
Isn't so simple?
Just cancelling 2 on both the sides, we get 2 is equal to 3. 2 is just 1 plus 1. Finally, we have reached the goal. 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. There is mathematical flaw. Please guess that in the comments section.
The funny trick lies after applying the formula. I guess this would be the right clue. Please subscribe to Delogics. Thanks for watching.